Girl, I gotta watch my bag, cause I'm not just anybody. Cause I really need somebody. Tell me how that's somebody. Cause I really need somebody. Girl, I gotta watch my bag, cause I'm not just anybody.
Can y'all really feel us? East Coast, feel us. West Coast, say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel it? Baby girl, East Coast, West Coast, can you feel us? Dirty South, dirty. Can y'all really feel it? East Coast, say what? West Coast, dirty South, dirty. Can y'all really feel it? I know it's like an East Coast, say what? West Coast,
I've been watching you like the hope in the sky that fly when you are my prey. Boy, I promise you, if we keep bumping heads, I know that one of these days we gon' work it up. Probably talk on the phone, but see, I don't know if that's good. I've been holding back this secret from you. I probably shouldn't tell it, but if I let you know, are you responsible? Is it my fault? Is it your fault? Say yes, I say no, 'cause I really need somebody. Tell me how that's somebody. Boy, won't you pick me up at the park right now on the block while everyone sleeps? I'll be waiting there with my tricks, my looks, my hat, just so I'm low-key. If you tell the world, oh boy, say I'm trusting you, my heart, my soul. I probably shouldn't let you, but if I let this go, I hope you're responsible. Is it my goal? Is it your goal? Say yes or say no, 'cause I really need somebody. Tell me how that's somebody.
baby girl, I'm the man from the big BA. Won't you come play around my way? And listen to what I gotta say. Timberland, don't you know I am the man? Rock strokes, heads and ginger man. Have people shaking my hand. Baby girl, better known as a
Okay, so how gorgeous is this unit? Check the description box down below for a link to the wig, plus more information and a discount code for NiaWigs.com. Shout out to NiaWigs for sending me this unit. I absolutely love it, and the best feature is the skin-based closure. You see absolutely zero knots. You don't have to bleach. You don't get that weird screen door effect with the holes in the lace. There's no short hairs in the closure. It's just absolutely amazing. This hair curled beautifully, and there's really not much more to say about it. Let me know what you think about the unit down below, and until next time.